धीरे से, दर्द नहीं होगा।
We're planning a revision rhinoplasty for this girl, pretty girl. So she's come all the way from the east of India. She's already had a rhinoplasty before. आपका जो rhinoplasty एक साल हो गया अभी करके? अगस्त में करवाया था. तो it's almost a year. It's 10 months. और अब आप क्या करवाना चाह रहे हैं? पूरा आपका height चाहिए थोड़ा और projection भी चाहिए. So we're planning to do rib harvest for her because she desires a nice projection. हाँ, तो she's more interested in the nose as she was जैसे बता रही हैं. तो we're going to bring it high here. यहाँ पे बहुत ही कम है dorsum और radix and also the tip. Now if you see the tip and the nose, so the tip is right here. So you have to bring the tip there, and this is like really inside. That's the radix. So we want to bring the augmented nose starts from the radix and it's going to come up all the way here for the nose tip. And she also doesn't want me to, there's a notching here. And she also wants me to reduce this width, which I'm probably going to do by working on the tip more and maybe minimal work on the LR base as well. तो rib भी निकालेंगे, ठीक है ना? Right. So this is immediately before we started a revision rhinoplasty or a secondary rhinoplasty. And this is on the table result. So we've done tip work, dorsum work, entire rhinoplasty. We did a revision or a secondary rhinoplasty. Patient had the nose job in another city some months ago. And this is immediately after we revised it, the revision nose job. Because that's what will give a good. Okay, come. We just finished with this cosmetic rhinoplasty. Just going to apply the Steri-Strip. We're going to show you how she was before we started. So you can see there's a lot of improvement. There's a lot of work that's being done from the radix to the tip, osteotomies, spreader extension grafts, marginal rim grafts, and you can see the tip work. So the tip was bulbous. We're also going to show you some side views. Yeah, you can see that. So this was really less projected. There wasn't a tip at all. So we've given all of that. Now I'm going to put the Steri-Strips. So we've also had to harvest a rib for this patient.
थोड़ा दर्द होगा. हाँ हो गया. एक मिनट हो गया. धीरे से, दर्द नहीं होगा। यहाँ पे काफ़ी स्वेलिंग है, हाँ आपके लिए ये ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक है। ये स्वेलिंग आपकी डॉर्सम पे है और ऑल्सो थोड़ा कलरिंग हुआ है, डिसकलरेशन। हाँ, ये आपको लगेगा 3 हफ्ता, शायद 3-4 हफ्ता, वो सब ठीक हो जाएगा। ये स्वेलिंग आप देखिए, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा स्वेलिंग है और ये डिसकलरेशन है, ठीक है ना। ये ऐसा एकदम एक मिनट ऐसे, ओके। Okay, I'm going to show the yeah, get the side view. Show the side view. Yeah, देखो side. And show the उस तरह देखिए धीरे से, हाँ। तो see that, and we can also see the basal view. So this was a revision rhinoplasty, and she had her surgery done 1 year ago elsewhere in another Indian city, and you can see the notching, you can see the scar, you can see the dorsum was flat. So हाँ, वो swelling है, वहाँ पे swelling है, यहाँ पे भी आपको है काफ़ी कुछ swelling और सब कुछ। ये देखो आप जब ऐसे करते हैं ना, तो ये already देखो कम हो रहा है, you can see। वहाँ पे भी स्वेलिंग है हर जगह, बिकॉज ऑस्टियोटमी किया है हमने। और यहाँ पे देखो आप, ये प्री ऑप में कितना सूजन था आपको, तो वहाँ पे पूरा यहाँ से थोड़ा सा कट करके ऑस्टियोटमी करके पास ले आए। लेकिन अभी तो सिर्फ 1 हफ्ता हुआ है, और टाइम लगेगा, 4 हफ्ते तक वो और भी कम होगा। और ये टिप भी देखो, अब मैं आपको टिप का भी दिखाता हूँ, अनदर पिक्चर ऑफ द टिप। सो आपका टिप में भी ये जो है पॉइंट, ये देखो कैसा था आपका टिप, बिल्कुल फ्लैट था। तो उसको अभी हमने शार्प बनाया, बहुत शार्प तो नहीं हो पाया है, लेकिन फिर भी बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है। वहाँ पे देखो, ये मिरर में देखो, आपको पता चलेगा। तो ये जो है आपका टिप, देखिए आप, पूरा फ्लैट था यहाँ पे, और आपका टिप यहाँ पे था। अभी आप देखिए, तो ये टिप यहाँ आया हुआ है, और ये जो है आपका पूरा भी स्वेलिंग है, बिकॉज हमने ऑस्टियोटमी किया है, उसमें बोन सेप्टल कार्टिलेज ग्राफ्टिंग किया है, तो टाइम लगेगा उसको पूरा ठीक होने के लिए। लेकिन ये जो पॉइंट है आपका, ऐसे कभी नहीं हो पाएगा। अभी बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट आके आपका टिप एकदम यहाँ पे रहेगा। अभी ये तो एकदम ऐसा कर्व की तरह है ना, अभी नॉर्मल टिप वहाँ आ जाएगा। देखो इसको, इसमें भी आपका जो नेज़ल प्रोजेक्शन है उसको भी इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है। और 1 मिनट सीधा ऐसे रहो, we have some of the views, okay, this is okay। so यहाँ पे देखिए, yeah, you can see the improvement that has been done in the dorsum। You see there's a deep grooving here, her nasal length was just so much, So the length of the nose has been improved, the tip has been refined, the radix has been augmented, and the dorsum has been narrowed. And you can see in this view again, Sita dekhiye please. So you see this area was totally hollow, and this is the scar. I hope you can visualize that from the earlier surgery. I've used Prolene for her. We're going to take it off. Usually I tend to use Rapid, and you can see that this whole area was totally flat, and now you can see it's actually looking a bit too much now, but this is going to go down. We've got the graft in, and this is going to subside. It's going to reduce with time. We're going to show you some other view. This is the front view now. Again, you can appreciate the tip and the narrowness and the shape of the dorsal aesthetic lines. You can see this is not there. The line is disappearing there. Now it's going to be there, and it's going to narrow down, and you can see this is moving the soft tissue as I touch, which means to say there's still a lot of edema. Okay, so those are the views that we have. We can also compare on this side. Yeah, dekhiye please madam. So there again you can see the improvement that's come all the way from the dorsum, from the radix up to the tip.
रिविजन है, दोबारा कर रहे हैं वहीं पे, ब्लड सप्लाई कम रहेगा, सब है ना. अभी आपका स्टिचेस निकाल देंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज द scar or the suturing that we've done after harvesting the rib. So we're going to take the sutures off also. This is immediate healing, and you see it's an inframammary incision, so after a while it's not going to be visible at all. It's going to be well concealed, and the rib that we've taken also will have no issues with the patient. Of course, I will take care for 4 weeks.